how to remove your YouTube account from other devices on Android. This tutorial shows you how to sign out of your YouTube account on any device remotely from your Android phone. First, make sure you are logged into YouTube and that the same Google account is also logged into your Google app on your Android device. After that, open the Google app on your Android device. From there, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. At this point, tap on Manage your Google account. In the next step, swipe through the tabs and tap on Security and Sign In from the list. Following this, scroll down and find the Your Devices section. Here, you'll see a list of all devices where your Google and YouTube account is currently logged in. Once done, tap on Manage All Devices to see the full list. From here, find and tap on the device you want to sign out from. At this stage, you may be prompted to verify your identity using your PIN or fingerprint. Go ahead and confirm. Finally, tap on Sign Out and confirm when prompted. That device will immediately lose access to your Google and YouTube account. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you remove your YouTube account from other devices, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.